Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I do have a valid driver's license for Mr. Lewis, Mr. Harris, Mr. Barry, congratulations on that. What's gonna be the resolution?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to improper plates as to the no registration charge, and he would enter a plea to allowing for the no insurance matter, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
That'll be improper plate, same difference, Mr. Lewis.
Okay.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, other right.
I love it. I'm sorry.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Barry went over your other advice or rights and breakout room, did he not?
No.
You go over your other advice or rights?
Yes. I'm sorry. Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Mr. Lewis, let me draw your attention back to July the 28th, 2025, around 12:55 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Evergreen. And did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I don't recall. I don't recall.
I don't see how you can't recall.
You said July the 29th?
28th at 12:55 a.m., city of Detroit, Grand River and Evergreen. They say you're operating a 2008 Ford.
Yeah, I remember. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Was that your 2008 Ford?
No, I was just buying that car, sir. So I was literally just buying that car, like that day. I just got it late because I had to fix the tire.
You bought it at 12:55 a.m.?
No, I bought it that later on. I bought it earlier that day, but I had caught a flat tire. I had to fix that car. So I was driving at that time to get off the road.
You didn't have a license at that time, did you?
Yes, I did. Yes, yes, sir.
You didn't have any registration in your name at that? Was the car in your name at that time?
No, sir. I was just signing the title with the guy. I didn't get to do that. No.
All right.
Well, that was like on the weekend or something like that, I believe.
You didn't have any registration for that vehicle, did you?
No, sir.
I find the client guilty of the admitted count of improper plate for no registration. You're saying you had a valid license on that date?
Yes, sir.
Let me draw your attention you own this 2008 Honda?
Yes.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 25th, 2025 at around 3:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Lasher and 7 Mile. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir. Picking my kids up from school that day. That's exactly what that school was at.
Were you operating that 2008 Honda?
Yes, sir.
And the officer asked you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Hard times. Honestly, hard times. It's hard to get insurance right now. So it's hard times. So.
Of the admitted count of improper plate You say you have insurance now?
No, sir, I don't have a car right now.
Very well. All right, stipulate the proper cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt and just fine them for the one improper plate. I won't fine you for the other. You owe some other fees down here as well. So when can you pay this $240, sir?
Okay.
When can you pay it?
Can I pay October the 20th or somewhere in that area?
October 20th, I'll mark the file, allow payment plan, come back October 20th, either do one or two things, pay it, any Dibback kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or come on down to the courthouse before October 20th to get into a payment plan. If you don't have any further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus George Geekas. Case number U666199923, SB 124022221, SB 1471863, SB 1489491, SB 1501345 counts 2 and counts 3, SB 1556591, 214543921, 237489761. Appearance for the record, please. Oh, Ms. Harris, let me pass that. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Harris. For Ms. Lee, are you there, Ms. Harris?
Here.
All right, for Ms. Lee, I excused those officers because Ms. Lee showed up so late.
Oh,
So
okay.
you may have to renegotiate that.
Okay, I can do that. Is Ms. Horn in room 4?
I don't see Ms. Horn, period. Call Ms. Horn up, please. And then I'm gonna reopen the breakout rooms back up. Mr. Ginkas, go to breakout room number 5, and Ms. Lee, go to breakout room number 3. And
Your Honor,
how
for
both of
Mr.
those?
For Mr.
Yes.
Gikas, was there an attorney requested?
No, it wasn't. And he was gonna initially talk about going to his advocate, or somebody was here earlier talking about going to the treatment court, but he indicated that he wasn't he wasn't ready, but he wanted to speak with a lawyer first, so. A gentleman named Daniel Cusciari, I've seen him before. He works at the VA. He left a letter here. I'm gonna put that in his file as well. Connected with the VA already.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, do you have anyone?
I do not, Your Honor.
Was anyone else?
If Mr. Berry is okay with talking to the gentleman and possibly getting his contact information, I can reach out to Ms. Horn regarding Ms. Lee.
Ms. Horn now. You want Mr. Berry to take Mr. Geekus?
If he's willing.
Oh, I'm certainly willing.
He's always willing. He's a gamer.
Well, thank you,
Five.
Mr. Berry.
Speak to him, Mr. Berry. See what he wants to do.
Yes, Your Honor.
Or Ms. Harris wants to speak to you in 4.
Okay, did the Zoom disconnect? Because I came back and it was gone.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Your Honor, Ms. Ledbetter was in 5.
Ms. Ledbetter then, let's go with Ms. Ledbetter.
All right, I'll
That's
speak with
not
her.
Ginkus, that's not Ginkus, okay, that's
Okay.
Ledbetter, let's do Ledbetter.
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Dominique Ledbetter, case number SP 10877773, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 10880041, SP 1233021, SP 1302504, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1339061, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1386251, SP 1745398, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1746461, SP 9615641, SP 9769261. Appearing for the record, please. Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, it's Elwood Berry on behalf of Ms. Ledbetter. I've not had an opportunity to speak with her.
Yeah, I know. Ms. Ledbetter, state your name for the record, please.
Dominique Ledbetter.
Is the date and time set for a pretrial. I think you've given Ms. Ledbetter an opportunity to pay these reinstatement fees or whatever we get to get her a valid driver's license, and that has not been done.
No, I came down to the court Monday because it said that I had a court date, but when I spoke to the lady at the desk, so I asked her if it was if I was able to set up a payment plan. She told me the best thing was to wait until today when I spoke with you to make sure all the matters could be put on the payment plan.
No, I gave the last, it's not your first time being here.
I can't.
I've given you an opportunity. I know I told you about these reinstatement fees that you have, that these $288, maybe you couldn't afford to do it. But anyway.
I thought that you told me to come back October 9th when I came the first time.
All right, I can't keep, I give you specific instructions, and if you're not gonna pay attention specifically to the instructions, we can't keep going back and forth. So let's just get her an offer. She can set a trial date. I give specific instructions on this every time. So get her an updated offer, Mr. Berry. If you don't like the offer, Ms. Ledbetter, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. You don't have Ms. Ledbetter's one. Ms. Jacqueline Lee. Ask you to unmute yourself and start your camera, please. Yeah. Jacqueline Lee. You're not here. You're supposed to be here until 1:30.
Okay, I'm sorry.
All right.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I believe we would need to reset Ms. Lee's matters. There was a plea offer, but Ms. Lee is not in agreement with the entire plea offer.
All right, I'm gonna do this one last time, Ms. Lee. If you miss again, if you're late again, we're gonna put a cash bond on you, all right?
Okay, I wasn't trying to be late. It wouldn't hook up. For some reason, my Zoom, I need Wi-Fi. But my phone works. It's on. But it won't let me in if it don't have Wi-Fi.
Oh, all right, come back October 23rd, ma'am. Be safe. Best of luck to you at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit, Mr. Harris, versus, Mr. George Ginkas. Mr. Ginkas, city, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ginkas. Mr. Ginkas, can you, state your name for the record, please? Unmute yourself. He doesn't know how to unmute himself.
Okay. George
All right.
Apostolos Gikas.
All right, good morning to you. All right, Ms. Harris, speak to Mr. Geekus in the breakout room. She's gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, sir, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come out.
Okay.
Hannah, can you give me a moment before we go to the next one when you come back? Thanks.
Oh, they didn't talk today. They set up. They are gonna have a breakfast. You can only join in.
Huh?
They're gonna have a breakfast coming up.
So I usually,
Don't eat breakfast.
no, I don't. Oh, I remember I used to. First thing in the morning. Yeah, I heard that. You live.
In the pop room?
I mean, I had.
The butter from the popcorn. Now, what happened with the girl in the car? The one you.
Oh. They found out she's 15 years old. And with the mother from order missing last time she saw her. She said that she went out with a boy named Dave. That's who she was dating. That's his name.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Mr. Gikas believes that he does have an attorney, that he was here last week, and everything he was supposed to come back next Friday.
Do you see an attorney on there? I don't see an attorney on there. He's got an attorney, one of the house. I don't think I've ever seen the man before. Have you? You were here last week.
Was I?
I would think so. I don't think I've ever seen him before. Let's see, pre-trial. Arraignment is 8/26, excuse me. 8/26.
And possibly he was in person?
I don't know. I'm looking now. I don't see anything for a long time.
Okay, I will get.
He went down to, he got arrested, a felony arrest, I guess. He went to at the magistrate on 8/26/2025 at 11:43 a.m. And he's scheduled for a pretrial today at 9:18. So he didn't see me.
Okay, I will go back and I will get his contact information.
Very well.
October 1st, 1981. When we got you, we said here they had a reckless driving.
Back, Your Honor.
You guys remember Judge Benson? Yeah, okay, this is like 2000. Get this ticket in 2008. So this is a very old. Okay, so it's for. Well, I'm basing this on what you're telling me. You said you was on probation, correct? Okay, so you got a reckless driving ticket back in 2008, which was a very long time. It's 2 years ago. It's almost 17 years ago. So,
Your Honor, if I could have the court to assist with pulling him out of the breakout room, it would be appreciated.
like you pleaded guilty to the reckless driving in October of 2008. Judge Catherine Henson. You had a plea hearing.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ginkas. Mr. Ginkas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client
Okay.
is requesting the appointment of counsel.
Okay, that's what you want to do, Mr. Ginkas?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna set a pretrial for October the 17th, 2025 at 8:30. Pretrial is set to make sure that you get that appointed attorney. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of the calls should be that appointed attorney. Is that number that you called in on earlier, 808 number, the best number to reach you?
Correct, Your Honor. The
And I
808.
provided, yep, I provided his number in the chat also.
Okay. There we go. All right, so you got it, Mr. Ginkas. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. And if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date on October the 17th at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I guess that's a very old case.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Ledbetter. Ms. Ledbetter, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, Ms. Ledbetter, I'm gonna give you a trial date of October the 23rd, 2025 at 9 a.m. What you need to do to get yourself trying to get that license.
I'm sorry.
You know what you need to do to get yourself, try to get on the road to have a valid license when you come
Yes.
back. All right, Ms. Ledbetter, I wish you the best of luck. October 23rd at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.